all of you to my channel Easy IT Education. Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all will be fine by the virtue of God. Today's video is very interesting. I request you to kindly watch the video carefully and listen me word by word. Let's start right now. Today's topic: an advanced exercise on MS Access 2010 for learners to advance. Microsoft Access 2010 offers advanced capabilities for managing and analyzing data effectively. This exercise will guide you through a series of advanced tasks, allowing you to enhance your skills and explore the full potential of Access 2010. By following this exercise, you will learn how to create relationship between tables, implement advanced queries, design advanced forms with subforms and calculated controls, and generate complex reports. Let's begin delving into the advanced features of MS Access 2010. Creating relationships between tables. Launch Microsoft Access 2010 and open a new blank database. Create multiple tables with relevant fields. Click on the Database Tools tab and select Relationships to open the relationship window. Drag and drop the tables onto the relationships window. Define relationships between the tables by linking the related fields. Specify the referential integrity to maintain data integrity. Save the relationships and close the relationships window. Implementing advanced queries. Number 1. Open the database and navigate to the Create tab. Number 2. Select the Query Design option to create a new query. Number 3. Add the required tables to the Query Design window. Number 4. Create joins between the tables based on the established relationships. Number 5. Utilize advanced query features such as parameter queries, wildcard searches, and calculated fields. Number 6. Apply aggregate functions like sum, count, average, minimum, and maximum to perform calculations on data. Number 7. Use sub-queries to retrieve data from nested queries. Number 8. Experiment with other query types such as cross-tab queries and action queries to manipulate data. Number 9. Test and refine your queries to ensure accurate results. Number 10. Save the queries with meaningful names. Designing advanced forms. Number 1. Click on the Create tab and select Form Design to create a new form. Number 2. Choose the main table as the form's data source. Number 3. Add subforms to display related data from other tables. Number 4. Establish the link between the main forms and subform using the master and child fields. Number 5. Create calculated controls to perform calculations within the form. Number 6. Implement data validation rules and input masks to ensure data integrity. Number 7. Customize the form's appearance by adjusting colors, fonts, and layout. Number 8. Incorporate navigation buttons and search functionality for enhanced user experience. Number 9. Implement form label events such as on load and on close to automate actions. Number 10. Save the form with a descriptive name. Generating complex report. Number 1. Navigate to Create tab and select a report design to create a new report. Number 2. Choose the relevant tables or queries as the report's data source. Number 3. Add grouping and sorting options to organize the data effectively. Number 4. Incorporate calculated fields to perform advanced calculations within the report. Number 5. include sub-reports to display additional related information. Number 6, implement conditional formatting to highlight specific data based on criteria. Number 7, customize the report layout by adjusting headers, footers, and margins. Number 8, add interactive elements such as buttons and hyperlinks to navigate through the report. Number 9, utilize advanced printing options such as page breaks and multi-columns layout for optimal presentation. Number 10, save the report with an appropriate name. Congratulations! This advanced exercise has provided you with a deeper understanding of Microsoft Access 2010 advanced features. You have learned how to create relationships between tables, implement advanced queries, design complex forms with subforms and calculated controls, and generate intricate reports. By mastering these skills, you can efficiently manage and analyze your data, leading to improved decision making. Thanking you all for listening me patiently. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.